The Hiram Bingham is a luxurious and exclusive all-included service on which you'll live an entire day of unforgettable experiences. It has been considered as the best trip in 2008 by the magazine Italian Class. The Hiram Bingham experience begins from the moment one gets to the station. And for the entire length of the journey, the passenger will be in contact with luxury, pleasure, beauty, and history.
The whole experience has been fantastic. The welcoming at the station with the dancers and the observation car. I spent most of the morning on the observation car.
And the scenery.
Yeah, and just the wonderful magic of the train itself. The train is
beautiful.
beautiful.
The woodwork, the grass, the seats are comfortable.
And this observation platform at the back here is, there's nothing like it.
This train is certainly a fabulous ride. It reminds me of the blue train that we rode through South Africa, from Johannesburg to Cape Town. It was plush also. So we've been traveling all over the world, and we have enjoyed this place here.
Traveling on the Hiram Bingham is a luxury you'll always remember.